In Hargeisa or Somaliland, we have this huge problem of plastic waste. Anywhere you go, there is plastic.
It ends up in the environment. Burning it creates environmental and public health risks. At the same time, there are vulnerable people, particularly displaced community, who are part of this system. These informal waste pickers are going to the dump site, picking plastic with their bare hands, with low income, lack of safety, and little dignity.
waxaanay marka la gubo sankay ka gelaysaa dadka duqsi fara badan oo ku soo ururiyo way leedahay quraarado taasano suna way leedahay oday lugaha ka garanaya gacmahan halis fara badan ay leedahay.
The Social Plastic for Economic Development project is designed to respond to a growing challenge of plastic waste in Somaliland. It's about building a functioning ecosystem around plastic waste, one that creates accountability, value, dignity, and opportunity.
We want to participate in the efforts to clean the environment and create value from the plastic waste that has been collected.
Ecoplastic is a social enterprise that turns a plastic waste into a pavement tiles.
The machinery that they needed to be able to do that was very costly.
We have identified different machines from abroad. We have realized that they needed electricity, and back home electricity is quite expensive.
Therefore, we thought that we need to produce a different machine, which was 100% mechanical. It can be manufactured locally anywhere.
It uses a propane gas, which is less expensive. When the machine is fully operational, the full capacity is going to be 350 blocks per day. The capacity of plastic that we can recycle is going to be 200 kilos per day. Waste pickers collecting plastic waste, they bring it to us. We give them money and their protective gears, trainings and capacity building, how to collect plastics and how to be safe in the process.
Ecobaras waxaan aasisay maryo fiican ya afgalis ama galis shaqada way noo sahleen si fiican aan uga shaqeyno waxbana laguma mudan shaqo fiican weey.
waxaan qaataa saxay tarax meed qashawa oo $200 weey. markii hore aan shaqadan haynin waxba caruur iskuul ma dhiganay waxba waxaan ku meelay tagahay intii saan shaqadan helay iskuulkii baan kaga bixiyay baskii baan kaga bixiyay noloshayda maalmeed waxaan ku waan ka helay alxamdulillah aad u fiicantahay.
What we have done with ecoplastics really shows why it is important to look at the context in depth to try to find the right solutions.
Plastic is one of the biggest plastic manufacturing company in Somaliland. It solely relies on virgin plastic imported from outside.
With Innovation Lab and Engineers Without Borders of Norway, we came up with a pilot project so that we can collect plastic waste from the town and put it in the process of manufacturing products here.
So we help them by identifying what it needs. You need to have proper washing system, proper shredding system, and you need clean plastic that can be mixed with a virgin plastic.
There are informal plastic aggregators and they buy plastic waste from plastic waste pickers and then we take it from them. It is crushed, washed, and the output is grain flakes and that is mixed with the imported plastic resin or polymers.
So the plastic reduces the production of new plastic by using 20 to 25% of recycled materials in its processes. Reducing their dependence on a virgin plastic reduce their cost production and also their dependence on already volatile, very dynamic supply chain.
We create employment, technological transfer, and save hard currency that would have gone outside the country. In 6 months, we processed 15 tons of plastic waste. We have already employed 5 people who are purely working for recycling.
The Social Plastic Project offers a lot of benefits from the innovators we're supporting, informal waste pickers, from the community. It's all about transforming the plastic waste system. There is environmental recovery and there is a dignified and resilient livelihood available within the country. Plastic reduces the need for new plastic at source, while ecoplastic gives a discarded plastic waste a second life.
This is about finding local solutions that are fit for the context that you are in.
People are seeing the value of plastic waste.
People are becoming more aware of plastic waste. They are changing their perspective.
There are a lot of people who are realizing now that we can manufacture valuable items from the recycled products. People are learning, and this is a change of a perception about the plastic waste.
I believe that with the results we are getting from the pilot project, that this model is scalable.
We want to also expand to other regions of Somaliland or maybe in the neighboring countries.